a beautiful day. So today is a Saturday and it's springtime, and today is a top of 30, so it's really beautiful. And we are currently walking. Dylan's off to drop off his package to the shops, and I'm quickly going to get some groceries while we're in there, and then we're going to walk back. You need a wee alley. Okay, that was pointless. Come on, your cousin. Oh, baby. Allie's so tired. Yes, it's my cousin. What do you think of that horse, Allie? Like her cousin. So today our plans are to go to the beach at some point and enjoy that and do some work, because teachers work on weekends. Yay us. Oh, that's it. Okay. So my mum has asked me to try this drink by Oak. It's called FANTALES. I don't know if FANTALES are a lolly that is around the world. Maybe, I guess. But they made it into a drink, and they have these lots and lots of different drinks, like pineapple drinks. I don't know. They just have like red skins that they made out of these lollies into drinks. So we're going to try it.
Did you shake it?
Yeah, I did shake it. Ugh. It's brown. Okay. I'm going to have the tiniest like amount because, oh my god, it smells like ice cream. It just tastes like I'm drinking melted ice cream. Try it.
Oh my god. You can smell the sugar. Yeah, I can't taste the Fantails, I don't think.
No, it just tastes like ice cream. It's not great for you as well, so. Overall, it's okay. It doesn't taste like a fantail, but I don't know. I probably wouldn't get it myself. Sorry? Oh, that's so cool. So we are at Aldinga at the moment. We're going to fly the drone in just a sec. So there will be no drone footage again, and I've done this before, but I forgot the SD card to go into the drone. I'm just one of those people that is very forgetful of all the little things that you need to film, and if I forget it, I forget it, so no footage. It's so beautiful. I've never actually come down this way, like from the other side of Port Wollonga. I've always gone from like the right. This is like from the left side, and it's so nice. My dress is also blowing up like crazy right now. Oh my gosh, look at this. I love these rocks. It's the rocks that are getting me. So nice. Take off those shoes. Be one with nature. Other than that. So pretty. And then you go over here. Well, if you look over here, you can see all these like hills, cliffs, should I call them? Yeah. Look at the cliffs. They're so cool. This reminds me of Star Wars from like the planet Tatooine. Yeah, I love it. He wants to get food from you, Dylan. Well, we got some pictures of me with my iPhone, not my good camera. And thank you, Dylan, for coming out with me to the beach, because Dylan doesn't like coming out to the beach. So thank you, Dylan. Mr. Pelican is following us. He's walking side to side, well, alongside us. This is so cool. Like, this is so secluded and beautiful. I mean, you just have to look at this beauty. Not this beauty, this beauty. So it's a couple of hours later and we're going to make our own pizzas. I'm going to try and make the pizza that I always love to eat. That's a margherita. And the type of margherita pizza that I like to eat, which is the frozen one. And I'm going to use the bocconcini cheese. So, bocconcini cheese, pizza, base, tomato, and that's all I'm going to have on it. Oh, and I'm also going to try and put this on it, basil pesto, because that's what pizza does. Yeah, let's try it. Look at these. Tomato. This is so cute. Imagine if you grew a bush perfect like this.
You have no idea, this is just grease.
Oh yeah. Lots of bits of fat in there. I put this pesto on. That does not look appetizing at all.
Tomatoes on top.
On mine. This is one of my favorite cheeses. Put out this cheese. Go Dylan. Go Dylan. Is ready. That is so much bocconcini. Looks alright.